Welcome. In this lesson we'll cover how to safely launch an AI feature, monitor it in production, build feedback loops, and respond when things go wrong. Launching AI is the start of an ongoing process, not a finish line, and by the end you'll have a practical playbook for doing it well. Unlike deterministic software, AI features behave probabilistically and their quality drifts as data, users, and the world change. A model that aced your offline tests can still fail in production due to distribution shift, prompt injection, or unexpected inputs. So your launch plan should assume the feature will surprise you, and design from the start for detecting, containing, and correcting problems fast. Never go straight to 100%. Start with internal dogfooding, then a closed beta of friendly users, then ramp by percentage, 1, 5, 25, 50, and finally 100, holding at each stage to observe. Shadow mode lets you run the model on real traffic without showing users, comparing it to the existing system. And always wire it behind a feature flag so you can kill it instantly. Each rollout stage needs two things defined in advance: entry gates, the conditions that must be true to move up, and rollback criteria, the thresholds that force you to pull back. Decide these and assign owners before you launch, not in the heat of an incident. For example, you might roll back automatically if hallucination rate exceeds 3% or P95 latency crosses 2 seconds. Monitor 4 layers. Model quality, accuracy, hallucination rate, groundedness, win rate versus baseline, often via sampling and LLM as judge or human review. Product metrics, adoption, task completion, and especially edit or override rates that reveal silent dissatisfaction. Operational metrics, latency, error rate, and cost per request. And guardrail metrics, toxicity, PII leakage, and jailbreak attempts. Each metric needs a threshold and an owner. AI features get better when you systematically capture signals. Explicit feedback like thumbs up and down is useful, but implicit feedback is gold. Did the user accept the output, edit it, discard it, or retry? Route low confidence or flagged outputs to human review, feed the corrected labels back into your evals and fine-tuning, and grow a golden test set from real failures so you catch regressions before the next release. Define severity levels, from SEV1 for harmful output or an outage down to SEV3 for a minor quality regression. Assign roles ahead of time: an incident commander, a comms lead, on-call engineering, and as the PM you typically own stakeholder and user communication and the rollback call. Mitigations include the feature flag kill switch, falling back to a previous model or rules system, patching to prompt, or rate limiting. Always finish with a blameless postmortem and add a regression test. Finally, treat launch as the start of a loop. Hold a regular review, weekly in the early days, of your metrics and feedback. Prioritize fixes and enhancements by impact and effort, and tie every change to a measurable hypothesis. Ship, measure, learn, repeat. That disciplined cadence is what turns a risky AI launch into a feature that compounds in value over time.